Welcome back to Age and Flourish, where we talk everything concerning aging and lifestyle. My name is Mama Uju, like you know. I bring you content that will help you live life to the fullest. And so, if you are new to this channel, why not subscribe to my channel and turn up the notification bell so that anytime I release any video, you'll be among the first that will see it. For all my returning subscribers, I thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I promise I will continue to bring valuable content that will help you live your life to the fullest. Today, let's look into this topic that says how plant-based diet will help you defeat heart problem, diabetes, and even some form of cancer. Let's jump into it. First, let's look at heart disease. Do you know that heart disease is #1 cause of death in the whole world? And do you also know that this heart disease can be prevented? And if you catch it in your early years, it can be reversed. And your diet plays a very significant role in that prevention and that reversing of that heart disease. Heart disease happens when plaque blocks your arteries, that is, those arteries through which your blood moves. When plaque blocks them, that is where the problem comes. It causes narrowing of the arteries and reducing blood flow. This can lead to high blood pressure, stroke, and even heart attack. A plant-based diet packed with fiber, antioxidants, healthy fats help to reduce inflammation and cholesterol in the body. We are talking about the bad cholesterol that comes from animal products like red meat. And when we talk about healthy fats, we are talking about those natural fats that we get from avocado, we get from nuts and seeds. Studies have shown that people that engage in plant-based food have lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and also lower the risk of having heart problems. In fact, a study from American Heart Association shows that plant-based diet can reduce the risk of having heart problem or heart disease by 32%. Eating plant-based food like vegetables, berries, whole food in general is a very easy way to reduce heart problem. Now let's look at type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a situation where the body can no longer regulate the sugar in the blood, and the diet that we eat has a lot of contributing factor to it. But one good news I will give you for free is that when you engage in plant-based food, whole food, then you will be on your way to 1, prevent diabetes, and 2, to even reverse it if you have diabetes. Processed food and other food that are high in refined sugar and fat, they easily spike the blood sugar and cause insulin resistance. But the beauty of the whole thing is that plant-based diet that is low in carb and also in sugar will reduce the sugar in the blood and thereby preventing diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes. Whole grain food are packed with fiber that helps to slow down digestion and absorption of sugar into our body system that might spike the blood sugar and cause insulin resistance. Such whole grain like quinoa, like brown beans, and even our legumes and our beans, they have enough fiber in them that will slowly release sugar, which your body can regulate. And you know, when you take those whole food that has enough fiber in them, it keeps you fuller for a long time, thereby preventing you for eating regularly. spiking your blood sugar. Finally, let's look at cancer, the disease that we all fear. Do you know that switching to plant-based diet will help you prevent many kinds of cancer? Processed meat, red meat, and saturated fat has been found to have contributed to some form of cancer like colon cancer and breast cancer. But a plant-based diet that is full of antioxidant and phytochemical will give you all it takes for your cells to be able to be healthy and also to fight away any kind of cancer. Cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, and so on have been found to contain good compounds that will help to be able to fight cancer in the body. Also, fruits like berries and citrus fruits contain vitamin C and flavonoid that will help to protect the cells from oxidative stress that might result to cancer. So by eating plant-based diet, you are fueling your body and equipping your body to be able to fight cancer. So let's go. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just have to start small. Start by adding one plant meal into your diet and taking away one processed food out of your diet. Gradually, as you add one plant meal and taking away another one, by the time you know it, you will see your menu change and you will see your life change. You will look healthier, you will have more energy, and your life will be beautiful because you are what you eat. If what we eat will help us to stay healthy and live longer, why not choose right? Take away the ones that kills us slowly, all those processed food, and embrace the plant-based, the whole food that gives life, and we will live longer. If you find value in this my talk, why not subscribe? And I will see you in the next video. Bye.